You probably know Nutella as incredibly tasty and potentially healthy spread that toes the line of breakfast food and dessert. If you're a fan of Nutella, you'll undoubtedly enjoy this video that goes behind the scenes and shows the different ingredients that go into Nutella and how it is made in the factory.
You can have a finger scoop of Nutella.
One finger scoop of Nutella.
Fair.
The process for making Nutella begins with the extraction of cocoa powder from the cocoa bean, which are harvested from the cocoa trees in West Africa and left to dry for about 10 days. Typically, cocoa beans contain approximately 50% of cocoa butter, therefore, they must be roasted to reduce the cocoa bean into a liquid form. This butter is often taken away to be used for other chocolate products. The following ingredient is hazelnuts, which are inspected to ensure they are of suitable quality. The hazelnuts used in Nutella come from hazelnut orchards, which are mainly found in Mediterranean-type climates. And it comes from different parts of the world. The main origins are Turkey, Italy, Chile, and the USA. Turkey's Black Sea region is the world's largest producer of hazelnuts. The harvest takes place between the beginning of August and the end of September. To ensure the availability of quality and fresh hazelnuts, cultivation also takes place in countries in the southern hemisphere to provide an additional harvest from February to March. Once they have been roasted, they are added to a mixture of pure cocoa powder, skimmed milk, and sugar. These ingredients are mixed together into a smooth paste and sent for packaging. Approximately 50 hazelnuts can be found in each jar of Nutella, as claimed by the company. This ensures that each jar of Nutella is uniform in its look and taste.